Friends, now in this session I will explain question number 5, 6 and 7 of exercise 8.6 chapter 8 decimals. Now in question number 5 we have Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. Fine. Now from there she cuts 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. Now how much cloth is left with her? So what is the first sentence we'll write? Length of the cloth. So what is length of the cloth? So length of cloth is given 20 meter 5 centimeter. 20 meter 5 centimeter. So we need to convert this whole form into the meter form. So how to do that? So 20 meter plus 5 by 100 meter. As we know that 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter, isn't it? So we'll divide 5 by 100. So what is the decimal form of 5 by 100? That is 20 meter plus 0.50 meter, and finally when we add it we get the answer as 20.50 meter. So this is the total length of cloth in decimal form. Now the next statement we'll write is length of cloth to make curtain. So length of cloth to make curtain, and that would be equals to what? 4 meter 50 centimeter. 4 meter 50 centimeter. Again we have to convert this whole form to a decimal form, that is 4 meter plus 50 by 100 meter, and that will look like 4 meter point 0.50 meter, isn't it? So finally when we add it we'll get the value as 4.50 meter. Okay, so this is the length of cloth to make a curtain in the decimal form. Now finally what you have to answer, the length of cloth left with her. Therefore length of cloth left with her, and that would be what? What we have to do? We have to subtract the length of curtain from the total length of cloth. That is 20.50 meter minus 4.50 meter, isn't it? So you have to do the rough. That is 20.50, 4.50. Okay, so what would be your answer? Sorry, this would be not 50. I'm extremely sorry. So this will be 0.5. So 0.5. Yes. Now this would be 0.5. Yes. Now it is it. I'm sorry. So 5 minus 0 is 5. So you have to take 1 carry out here. It will become 9 and it will become 1. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 1. So your required answer will be what? 15.55 meter. Okay, so this is the length of cloth will remain will left with her, that is 15.55 meter. Okay students, now let's move on to question number 6. Question number 6 is also very easy. That is Namita travels 20 kilometer 50 meter every day, students. Okay, now out of this distance she travels 10 kilometer 200 meter by bus and the rest she travels by auto. Now we have to find out what is the distance she travels by auto. Okay, but before that we'll write the total distance. We'll write total distance traveled by Namita. And what is the distance she is traveling? 20 kilometer 50 meter. Now it is given in kilometer form. 50 meter. Okay, so we know that we have to convert this whole form to a decimal form. For that we have to convert this meter to a kilometer form. So how to do that? Very easy. We have learned this. So we know that 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. So we'll divide 50 by 1000. Okay. So what is the decimal form of this? So 20 kilometer plus 0.050 kilometer. So that would be equals to 20.050 kilometer. Okay, now distance to travel by bus. Okay, distance she traveled by bus, and that is given how much? 10 kilometer 200 meter. Now this time I'm going to write the decimal form directly. I'm not going to write all this process. I'm going to write directly. That is 10 kilometer 200 meter. That would be 10.200 kilometer. Okay, now all of you have understood how exactly this form is coming, so you can go for the elaborate process also, and if you have understood how exactly I'm doing, then you can write the direct answer also, no problem. Fine. Now distance traveled by auto. Now we have to find out. Therefore, distance traveled by auto, and that would be what? You have to subtract the distance traveled by bus from the total distance. Fine. So that will look like 20.050 kilometer minus 10.200 kilometer. Okay, now you have to do the solution. That is 20.050 and 10.200. So you have to subtract. So 0, 5, now you have to take one carry here. It will become 9 and it will become 1. So it will 5. Now 10 minus 2 is what? 8. 9 minus 0 is what? 9, and it will be 0. So what is the final answer? The answer would be 9.850 kilometers. So this is the distance that she traveled by auto every day. Okay, I hope all of you have understood. Now let's move on to the last sum of today's session. That is question number 7. Now question number 7, we have Akash bought vegetables and the total weight of the vegetables is given 10 kg. Now out of this 10 kg, 3 kg 500 gram is onion, 2 kg 75 gram is tomatoes, and the rest is potatoes. Fine. So what is the weight of the potatoes? So it's very, very important sum. This is 3 marks question, but very easy. Now the first thing what we have to write, total weight of vegetables. So total weight of vegetables, and that would be equals to what? 10 kg. Now weight of onion. So weight of onion given is given 10 kg. 3 kg 500 gram. 3 kg 500 gram. Now you have to convert this into the decimal form. So I'm going to write it directly. That is 3.500 kg. And weight of tomatoes. Now weight of tomatoes. How much given? 2 kg 75 gram. So 2 kg 75 gram. Now convert it into the decimal form, it will look like 2.075 kg. Now finally we have to find out the weight of potatoes. So how to find out? So therefore weight of potatoes would be how? Potatoes would be, that means first of all what we have to do is with the sum of these two, with the sum of these two, okay, the sum need to be subtracted from the total weight, then only we can get the weight of the potatoes. Okay, so see what I am writing. So weight of the potatoes can be found out in, like this, that is total weight. From total weight, what you have to subtract? You have to subtract the sum of these two, that is weight of onion plus weight of tomatoes. Okay, this is how you can find out the weight of potato. Now we will put the values now. What is the total weight given in the question? It is given 10 kg. Now what is the weight of onion given? 3.500 kg. What is the weight of tomato given? 2.075 kg. Okay, what is the first thing that you have to do? You have to first add these two numbers. So that is 10 kg minus, what is the sum of 3.500 plus 2.075? The answer would be 3.575 kg. And how to subtract this? 10 kg means what? 10.000 minus 3.575. So when you subtract it, 5, 2, 4, 6. So this would be your required answer, isn't it? I guess I have written right. Oh, 3 plus 2 is 5. Sorry. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we'll write 5 here. And the answer will be what? 4.425. So answer is 4.425 kg. Okay, so this is a solution of question number 7, students. I hope everyone has understood 5, 6 and 7. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. God bless you and stay blessed.